Okay, I'm done. Is that on an angle? Looks like it's a bit like that. A bit echoes because I'm in a bathroom. There's a fly in here. What the hell? The fly, it keeps buzzing. It's very yellow. This is a bit awkward. Am I so far away? Should I be this far? Oh, yeah. She does a lot. Anyway. So today we're going to be... Oh, she doesn't. I should really take that shit out. Okay, hold up. Well, he dropped it. I'm going to take it off the wall. Let's just... No one can watch this anyway, it's fine. Anywho, so, starting. What do I say? Hey guys. Yeah, so, now that's all good. This is really awkward. Oh, this is so good.
Okay. Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying out hair straightener brush, which I got from Kmart for like 20 bucks. I never straightened my hair, so I thought I'd try out like a cheap one. Plus I wanted to know if Kmart's any good. So now I'm not sponsored because I have like 2 followers, so I'm just doing it. Anyway, so it's called the, is that an A? Anko straightening brush. Heats up to 230 degrees. Takes 5 minutes to heat up, and apparently it's got an LED display. So that's what it looks like. Yep. Yeah, so I guess as you can see I have curly hair. So I'm going to be trying it out to see if it actually works and how long it lasts for. My hair's to be straight. So yeah, just gonna open this up. I haven't opened it up at all. I bought it the other day. So it's a little unboxing video.
Yes, that's weird.
We have a fucking instruction. We have a hair straightening brush instructions manual. There we go. Then I have obviously the, ooh, is that rose gold? Ooh, Kmart did good. Watch it not work. Anyway, so then we have that. Oh, that actually looks really nice. Although, it kind of has some scratches already. Anyway. So, it looks like that. Okay, let's not get my face now. And then you got like the, it's like rose gold there, and you got all the temperature. So far, so good. But then again, that's just some looks. So I should probably read the manual, although I'm pretty sure you just plug it in and all that, but better be safe than sorry.
Okay. Before use, after unpacking the blinds, check for transport damage. I think it's all good. Sorry, what? We have multi transport damage, and all parts mentioned in his note are present. Parts. I got the brush head thing. I got the thing that plugs in the wall. Blah 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 blah. Clean the appliance as described. Okay, do it. Clean the appliance as described. I can clean this. Surely not. Hey, why is she brushing her hair? What the hell? This chick in the picture is literally brushing her hair like that. Like, how is that gonna do even? Unless I'm colorblind. Tangle free. Okay, I think that's a tangle.
A few moments later.
To plug it in, make sure you take that thing off because if you're silly like me, you try to plug it in and it'll work. Okay, so we plug it in. I mean, it's like yay long, like arm length long, so no, I wouldn't fit that like an extension cord. Back to my instructions. Okay? It says, also if I can do this, literally anyone can do this because, yeah. Press and hold the on off button to turn on the appliance. I didn't turn it on in the wall, so I thought it was broken. Yeah, so the extension wasn't even turned on, so how could it even work? Okay, Do I have to hold it? Look, got 180 degrees. I think the last one. 25 degrees. Can you hear that? Or was it just me? Oh, it's slowly warming up, so it's on 7 degrees. Anyway, press and hold the on-off button. Use a temperature control plus select your desired temperature. Default setting 180, may select temperature range 80 degrees to 230. Well, since I'm doing this and it's on 230, let's try the max. If my hair falls out, it's better go viral. Jokes, it's not enough. Anywho, it takes like 4 minutes. When the appliance is ready, you may start hairstyle. The straightening brush not recommended for use on damaged or bleached hair. Jokes. Wow. We recommend to do a trial on a hidden area of your hair before. Sorry, was that going to say first use? Because I forgot the T. It says first. Let's just show that they said first. Also, look at that picture. Like, does that not look like she's using the brush the other way around? Like, I'm a little confused. Do not wrap the cord around the appliance. That's what I've been doing with other strands. Sorry. Wasn't me. Don't blame me. I don't know why I found that funny. Okay, it says, children should be supervised to ensure that they do not play with this appliance. I mean, I'm legally over 18, so I'm still sharp.
Oh shit. Ah! I don't even know. I'm just gonna pop this here. It's going to burn out.
I got this Curtain Smooth 7 Days Smooth System, this thing. So I'm just gonna apply, put a little bit in my hair. Just so it doesn't wreck, my hair doesn't get any more destroyed. Okay, there's literally nothing left. I got like that much here. There's literally none left, so I'm gonna have to resort to my plan B, which is some just some oil trigger. Yeah, it's natural, so go in. You can really tell that I don't straighten my hair very often. 124. 6 more degrees to go up. But I'm gonna see the TikTok. Oh yeah. 230! Like degrees, not the time. Did take that one. Ah! Okay, ready? And yeah, the back is really hot. I don't know why I stitched it. I don't know, like it's really hot. Like I like to hold it like that. It's kind of hot. I kind of have to hold this like this. It's actually kind of really awkward because I don't want to burn the side of my neck.
That looks sexy.
Buns are really awkwardly positioned. It's like much easier than using it straight on. Must say. So far it looks like this, right? My battery's low. Surely not. I didn't realise till now that it was actually off the straightener. So I don't know how long it was off. No wonder why I wasn't doing anything. Anyway, so this is basically what it looks like. It's basically what we've got. And then the back. So overall I'd give this probably an 8 out of 10. As it was pretty good, it did most of my hair, although it's still a bit fluffy and frizzy. Although usually, even with a good straightener, it's never like fully straight. So yeah, 20 bucks from Kmart, that's a really good price, so would recommend if you just want like a, you know, cheap one and all that. So get onto it. Yeah, so see you guys next time, dudes. Pardon me. Oh shit.